I don't know about you, but when I tried to upload these files to put them on the blog, each one of them was too big. They were over a megabyte. So let me show you how to solve this problem. Number one, the blog resizes everything. Nothing is bigger than 1920 by 1080. Okay, that's the largest image size. That's in pixels. So let's go ahead and save for the web. Shift Option Command S. Okay, Shift Option Command S. Okay, Shift, see, Option, Command, and then S brings up this dialog box right here. Now, right now you can see down in this corner it says 1.7 something megabytes. I don't have my glasses on, but the width and height right here, see, is 2500 by 1440. So why not change this to 1920? And because it's locked, it goes 1920 by 1080. Then we can look down here and we're under a megabyte. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save this, and then while that name is highlighted, I'm going to hit the right arrow, and type 1920 because this is a smaller version and I want to put it in my Live Paint folder. Okay, so this is the 1920 version of this. That is small enough to upload. So let's Command tilde over to the next one. Well, let's come right here. So we do these in order. Make my OCD work. And Shift Option Command S and change 2500. This thing is also way over a megabyte, so 1920. And hit Tab. And now we're still over a megabyte. So I'll show you what to do. Click here and we'll just take this down to 70 and see what happens. We're still over a megabyte. So highlight this and use the down arrow and watch the lower left hand corner until we get under a megabyte. Boom. Whoop. Now that's still just over 994. Okay, so that now will work on the web. And we'll save this, hit the right arrow, say 1920, make sure we're in the right folder. We are in the Live Paint folder, and then Command tilde. Don't know why those are out of order. They shouldn't be. And we'll save for the web again. Change this to 1920. And look down here, and we're at 800. So this time, oh yeah, and we're at 80. So we're fine. This one works just fine. And hit the right arrow and type 1920. Now we've saved all three. Now these three JPEGs will upload just fine to our website, and they're at maximum size, which is 1920 by 1080. Bonus,